Hey guys, how's it going? How to automate captions in Revid.ai. Automating captions in Revid.ai is simple and efficient thanks to its powered AI transcription uh, features. Here's how you can do it. You can go ahead right here to click to create a new video. Click create a new video, and then you're gonna be able right here to see the option add captions to video. So I'm gonna choose it, right? And AI generated captions added to your videos automatically generated for 100 plus languages. You're gonna see right here the outer example, right? For Alex Mozy video, right? And you can add it for a viral social media clip. Add the custom file right here, and then you're gonna be able to see your videos in the creation section being generated, right? So basically the final results will be something like this, right? Go ahead to your project and you're gonna be able to see your project being uploaded right here, right? You're gonna see the basically the transcribes or the text right here being generated automatically. And if you want to correct it, you could go ahead and click the text, the first part of this video, and then change it to whatever you want and change the color of that font and change the place, of course. If you want to make it right here, you could do that. And then you're gonna be able to go to another part of the video as well and then change the text, right? So basically you can also change the size, right? You can change it to be screen view on 16 by 9 or for social media 9 by 16. So if after you review your video and everything looks good, click export at the top right, the same rate, the frame rate, and the resolution and format and compression, and click export the video. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.